The aim of Orthodontic Residency program is to prepare specialists in orthodontics who are competent in providing preventive, interceptive, and comprehensive orthodontic treatment for different complexity of malocclusion using removable, functional, and fixed appliances, incorporating the latest technology of fixed functional mini screws and mini screws supported expander. The Orthodontic Residency program incorporates clinical training at the level of the specialist trainee and meet the criteria to set the membership of orthodontics of the Royal College of Surgeons of Edinburgh and as well the Jordanian Board in Orthodontics.
Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Fatma Ziad. I'm a third-year student of the Orth program taking place at Ajman University. I've recently just passed my Orth Part A examination and I'm here to tell you all about the experience. It's been a very rewarding experience. The program is up to a very high standard and it makes sure that we all get sufficient clinical and theoretical exposure to orthodontics.
There are four main components for the Orthodontic Residency program. The first one is the crash course. So the program will commence with an introduction program that will familiarize the resident with the procedures in the dental school and the university and include an introduction to the laboratory and the clinical techniques that is used in orthodontics. So the resident will bond brackets onto the cast, they will do a lateral kerf tracing, and they will use a thermally activated wax typodonts. Basically, they will insert the wires into these typodonts, then plug it into the electricity. The teeth will move, simulating an exact orthodontic treatment. The second component is the academic teaching. There will be an average of one formal teaching session per week in the format of lectures, seminars, and case-based discussion. The academic part follows the orthodontic curriculum of the National Orthodontic Program in the United Kingdom. The third component is the clinical component. Each resident will have 5 treatment sessions per week spent in treating patients using a variety of techniques. The students are required to do a bond-up for a minimum of 50 new cases and do a follow-up of minimum 20 cases from previous years. Each student will build a caseload of at least 70 patients over the 3 years. The resident will be part of the Invisalign certification course, which will include 2 years of lectures and seminars with treatment of minimum 2 cases with Invisalign. By the end of the program, the student will be also an Invisalign certified user. The fourth component is the Orth preparation. At the end of the residency program, students are required to sit the Orth exam from the Royal College of Surgeons in Edinburgh. Each year, external examiner from the United Kingdom will supervise the resident in the clinic, prepare the residents for the different stations in the exam, and do a mock exam for all of them with a constructive feedback at the end of the day to improve the students' performance.
So my name's Professor Cambe. I've come over from the University of Birmingham in the United Kingdom and had the pleasure of visiting Ajman University, in particular the dental school. So today I was shown around the dental school, which is a very modern, forward-thinking dental school with a very forward-thinking dental dean. I think has been post for over 20 years. There's something like 170 students per year that come into the dental hospital and dental school. And the facilities here are excellent and very modern, and had the pleasure of visiting the student hub today, which again has I think over 50 different nationality of student visiting the hub, and again very modern facilities. My main reason for attending Ajman University was to have a look at the Orth program that's run by 5 academics here, and again I've spent the afternoon with the students. At present they have 13 Orth students. And I've been able to see the patients, and they're all treated to a very high standard by a very skilled set of clinicians, the majority of whom have been trained in the UK.
We are looking forward for an excellent students to join our program. We are craving to give knowledge for our resident to be an excellent, distinguished orthodontist in the future.